Hi guys, Prepper in the Woods here, and if it's your first time here, we do gear reviews, prepping, survival, and bushcraft stuff, when weather permits it. Now today, kind of done it again and bought another knife. I'm not sure if you've seen this one before, or this company or whatever. I've only been introduced to it off a link on Facebook, or I blame Prepper Dell or one of them, I'm not sure which one it was. But, check out this. Right, so that's the sheath, comes in, nylon, look at that, right, paracord handle. Now, 15 pounds, so I'm a big fan of the tracker knives, which is why I like this one, stone washed there. Right, let me give you the specs and I'll tell you why. So, I bought this off dnaleisure.co.uk and I'll put that link in the description box below. Now, let me read you what they wrote on it. This massive modified cleaver from Survivor features a basic but powerful cutting edge with a paracord wrapped handle combination. The knife comes with a basic black nylon sheath and a fire starter rod. So that's the box. That's the nylon sheath, which they put a rivet here, which I'm not sure why. And then the belt loop itself, I'll give them that. That's a nice size. The nylon sheath's quite cheap, but there is no ferro rod. So I might email them about that one, because if it doesn't come with it, they shouldn't advertise it on the website. Because for this knife and a ferro rod, 15 quid, that sounds like a good deal. Right, but it is what it is. Right, a very budget-friendly beginner knife. The blade is stone washed. You can see that right there. It's like a smudge. For non-reflectivity. Right, so before the people say, oh, 15 pounds for a beginner knife, I would get a Mora. And I would say, yeah, I would too. I have loads of Moras. But this is a different type of knife. So, now, I'll go through this and I'm going to say the steel that has been given to me from the website, okay? This is all I can go by. Like I don't have a lab here or anything, test metal out. Blade material, stainless steel. Blade length, 5.8 inches. Blade thickness, 3 mm. Handle length, 4.7 inches. Handle material, paracord. Overall length, 10.5 inches. Blade shape, modified cleaver. Blade grind, saber high flat. Sheath, black nylon. Weight. It didn't give you the weight on the website. I weighed it myself and I got 226 grams. So it is a light knife. Like I said, it's really thin. You see it right there. It's really thin. It's not like this part here. Why put it? If that's supposed to be a finger choil, why would you put something pointy there? I don't understand that bit. But like I said, alright, it is a full-time knife. The edge seems okay. I'm going to touch it up a little bit on my Lansky just to give it a proper edge. And you can see the grind there. Okay? So that's all my specs. I will do some chopping. All I have is seasoned stuff here. I'm going to do some chopping, some cutting, whatever I can. I want to test that out because that looks a bit dodge, but I want to check this out, see if I actually can cut wood with that, because there is no edge on it. But meh, we'll see. Right, so I'll do that and I'll give you final thoughts. Right, so my final thoughts, and I really do, when if I'm thinking about giving a knife a bad review or a thumbs down, I do try to give it effort. I think this could be a good knife, but I just think the design is really poorly. I was doing feather sticks and I was going in between these two here and pointing the blade, and this part here was getting in the way loads. So you have to just do that, and you're trying to go from here and it just didn't feel right. So I was getting little pigtails, but that was not it. So I am going to sharpen it and try again. But now I did split wood it was thin for kindling. It wasn't like a log. So before you say, you hit it with a big stick, it was only 4 whacks just to split it so I could have the stick, okay? So don't go nuts. The back of it, I wouldn't say that's a saw, because it all it basically did was rub the wood. It wouldn't cut it. It was just giving it like kind of like a gentle wood massage and friction burn there. That's about it. Now, when you try to chop, and you try to come back on the knife to chop with it, to try to get this portion of it, oops, shit. This part gets in your way then. So now as you choke back and you're doing something, it just digs right into your hand. So like I don't understand. Like they're kind of locking you in between this point here hurting you and then this point here hurting you. So why even add it? So when you're trying to chop and come back a bit, that's in the way. And when you're trying to do up close personal stuff, that's in the way. So I think what I might try to do is cut that off, smooth it, round it, and then put some wood handles on it. Just drill a couple of holes and put some handles on it. That I want to take a file to, and then maybe put an edge on it going along and see if that helps a bit. But again, £15. So I turned into a little project, which would probably cost me 20. But no, £15. That's what you get for it. So if you're interested in it, you know, I just like the shape of it. I didn't know it was going to have so many mods to do to it, but it is what it is. So that's my advice on it. That's my review of it. Take from it what you want. If you want to try it, go ahead. If you get on better with it, great. But that's how I got on with it. So if you like this video, I do have a playlist of other knives I tested out. Condor, a couple of them. A couple of trades, stuff like that. So you might be interested in that one. Of course, there's always more in there. But yeah, check those ones out. Please like, share, subscribe, and thanks guys for watching. Bye.